Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to connect Node.js 18 long-term support version with Oracle Database 12c which is running in my local machine. Okay, so here you can see that I have already installed Node.js 18 long-term support version and it's already available in the Windows path. That is, it's already available in the Windows command line. Okay, let me go to JS program directory which contains some JS files. So this is the logic to connect Oracle Database 12c. You can see this requires the package called oracledb, Node.js package called oracledb. This program contains one connection string, that is database URL with username and password. Using that we are going to connect the database and fetch the records of person table and display the record in console. Okay, so this is simple logic only. Okay, so before running this program, let me show the Oracle Database 12c running in my local machine. So I can run the query in Oracle Database 12c. So, okay, select star from person. So it contains some records. So we are going to fetch this record using Node.js 18. Okay, let me go to the directory JS programs. So first I am checking the version. So Node 18.16 is the version. So now I am going to install the package called oracledb, npm install oracledb. So wherever your source code is available, there only you need to download the package. So I have downloaded the package oracledb. So this is the package structure and version oracledb 5.5.0. okay, so that is the current version of the driver. So when you get free time, navigate the package. Now let me run the program node-oracledb.js. That's it. Yes, so connection is successful. I can able to fetch the records from person table. Okay, let me show the database also. See here. So Oracle Database 12c connectivity with Node.js 18 long-term support version is successful.